Meet the compressed air duster, a mini tornado in your hand. Unleash 180,000 RPM of dust-busting fury on your gadgets. Cordless and rechargeable, it's the superhero your keyboard deserves. With 240 minutes of power, it's like a marathon runner for dust. 2 nozzles and 3 brushes, the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. Say goodbye to canned air, hello to eco-friendly cleaning power. Compact design but packs a punch like a heavyweight champion. Perfect for tech lovers, neat freaks, and car enthusiasts alike. From keyboards to car interiors, it's the dust whisperer you need. Fast charging via USB-C, because waiting is so last season. Get yours today and turn cleaning into a breeze. Meet the compressed air duster, your pocket-sized tornado of cleanliness. With a turbo fan hitting 300,000 RPM, it's like a mini hurricane. Feel the 300-degree wind pressure, strong enough to blow your worries away. Peak wind speed, over 120 meters. It's like a cheetah on caffeine. New pulley mode, smoother than a penguin on ice. Ergonomic design because comfort shouldn't be a pain in the wrist. Pocket-sized at 1.35 at 5.9 inches. Lighter than a feathered hamster. Multifunctionality. From keyboards to car seats, it's the Swiss Army knife of air. 1,000 mAh battery. More juice than a fruit smoothie marathon. USB Type-C charging. Because we're living in the future, not the Stone Age. Save money and the planet. Reuse, recycle, and rejoice. Get yours today and let the wind of change clean your world. Meet the Turbo Fan, 300,000 RPM powerhouse in your pocket. Unleash 200G wind pressure, cleaning dirt like a tornado on vacation. 120 mph wind speed, faster than your morning coffee kick. From keyboards to cars, this duster is a multitasking wizard. Slide or button mode, it's like choosing between cake and pie. Pocket-sized at 1.35 5.9 inches, lighter than your smartphone. 10,000 mAh battery, lasts longer than your favorite TV series. USB-C charging. Because we're living in the future, folks. No canned air needed. Save money, save the planet, feel heroic. Perfect for techies, car enthusiasts, and anyone with dust issues. Versatile nozzles like having a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. Turbo Fan, the superhero your cleaning tasks have been waiting for. Meet the HS Top Electric Air Duster, your new cleaning superhero. With a turbo fan spinning at 180,000 RPM, dust doesn't stand a chance. 4 wind speeds, from gentle breeze to hurricane force cleaning power. Double-click to switch gears, like shifting a high-speed sports car. Built-in flashlight, direct flash, and SOS modes for outdoor adventures. 10,000 mAh battery means more cleaning, less charging. Sorry, dust, no escape. USB Type-C charging because who has time for tangled cords? Compact design. Fits in your hand, but packs a punch like a heavyweight. Versatile as a Swiss Army knife, hair, leaves, snow, and more. 9 accessory brushes, like having a cleaning army at your command. Perfect for techies, campers, and anyone tired of dust bunnies. The H-Stop Air Duster, because your gadgets deserve a breath of fresh air. Meet the SDFM Electric Air Duster, 130,000 RPM of sheer cleaning power. This isn't just a duster, it's a mini tornado in your hand. Adjustable 3-speed settings, from gentle breeze to hurricane force. Eco-friendly and reusable. No more canned air guilt trips. Built-in battery with fast charging, ready before your coffee brews. High-quality materials, tougher than your grandma's Thanksgiving turkey. Lightweight and portable. As easy to carry as your favorite snack. Versatile use, from keyboards to car seats, even inflating lifeboats. Protects electronics. No liquid or ice, just pure, dry power. Perfect for techies, travelers, and anyone who hates dust. Got questions? Our support team is faster than a speeding bullet. SDFM Electric Air Duster, the ultimate weapon against dust and debris.